To save the brand, you must kill the founder, or the founder must execute a continuous, violent death of their own ego. Most people look at a legendary corporate empire and think when the founder leaves, the brand dies. But that's a myth. A billion-dollar enterprise isn't a shrine to a genius. It's a relentless, high-efficiency physical machine. Founders excel at 0 to 1. They run on obsession and chaotic instinct, but scaling from 1 to 100 takes cold engineering, ruthless supply chain mathematics. The biggest system bug in a mature enterprise is often the founder's refusal to let their past self die. Let's break down the cold, structural reality of the corporate lifecycle. Scale equals customer plus product multiplied by relevancy to the power of evolution. Customer and product are the infrastructure the founder built, but relevancy is a moving target. If a founder cannot continuously upgrade their own cognitive engine to match the market's rotation speed, that multiplier drops to 0 when an individual's historical experience becomes a future liability. Removing the founder is not betrayal, it is mathematical triage. Look at the surgical history of global giants. Chip Wilson engineered Lululemon's proprietary infrastructure, but over time, he refused to adapt. His worldview stagnated, and his legacy became a structural liability. Steve Jobs was forced out of Apple by his own board. He needed that brutal displacement, that forced ego death at Next, to completely reset his operating system. Without being pushed out, he never would have returned to launch the iPhone and execute a dimensional reduction attack on the entire tech industry. Exile is sometimes the only catalyst for evolution. But what about founders who become immortal? Look at Jensen Huang of Nvidia. He doesn't just manage the company, he forces his own continuous mutation. He refuses to let his old self get in the way. For Nvidia, the founder isn't the bottleneck, he is the engine. Depersonalization isn't just about the founder leaving. It is about the founder killing their own ego to become the system itself. True legacy is written into the software code, built into the structural steel, and institutionalized into flawless SOP. The greatest brands become immortal machines. The architect must mutate into the machine or be destroyed by it. Everything else is just background noise.